Welcome to On OBGYN. Today I am going to explain how lower segment cesarean section is performed from skin incision to the delivery of baby to closure. Every step will be shown clearly, explained simply. So let's begin the cesarean section. The skin preparation before cesarean section aims to reduce the risk of surgical site infection. The area is cleaned with an antiseptic solution, commonly chlorhexidine, with alcohol or povidone iodine, using a sterile technique, moving from incision site outward. A phalansteal skin incision is given, which is a transverse suprapubic incision about 2 to 3 cm above symphysis pubis. After the skin incision, the subcuticular fat, the camper and scarpa's fascia is identified and gently dissected to expose the rectus sheath. Incise the rectus sheath carefully to access the abdominal cavity. Separate the rectus muscles. After separating the rectus muscles, place the Doyne's retractor to gently retract the bladder. Open the peritoneum next. For that, lift peritoneum with forceps, make a small nick with scissor, extend the peritoneal incision carefully under vision. Then a transverse incision is given in the lower uterine segment. Extend bluntly. Now deliver the baby. Deliver the head, clean airway, and deliver the rest of the body. Clamp and cut the cord, as you can see here. Then deliver the placenta by controlled cord traction. Check for completeness of the placenta. Now do the uterine closure in single or double layer and ensure hemostasis. Vicryl 1 suture is used for this purpose. The first layer is in locking manner and the second one in a continuous burying suture. Abdominal closure is done after closing the peritoneum. Rectus muscles are approximated. Rectus sheath is identified. It is closed with continuous suture. Delayed absorbable suture, which is Vicryl 10, is used for this purpose. Adequate bites are taken. Avoid muscle and viscera, ensure hemostasis. In the end comes the skin closure. It is done by subcuticular stitch. The skin edges are approximated. Subcuticular continuous stitching is done. Non-absorbable suture like Proline 1 is used, which is later on removed about 7 to 10 days after cesarean section. No external knots are taken in this suture. And the aim is better cosmetic appearance, and by this stitch there is reduced wound infection risk. So that was a brief video about cesarean section steps. Subscribe on OBGYN and follow the Facebook page of On OBGYN.